Hey everybody, it's Paul from Aerographical again with another tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at helicopter rotors. The animation techniques are very similar to the fixed wing graphics packs, but there's a little bit more to it, so I'm just going to make a couple of videos so you understand how the helicopter graphics packs work and how they animate. So the first thing we're going to look at is just some very simple rotations in the main rotor. Going to the folders, you can see once you've downloaded the pack, you're going to get the R22 graphics of the fuselage, and also in a separate folder you're going to get the blades as well. So you can see there's quite a lot of different variations of the blades you can use here, and I'll show you how to use some of them in this couple of videos. To start off with, I'm just going to put in the top nub blades there, because I'm just going to simulate the blades turning on the top of the helicopters like that. Positioning that in the middle, just making it slightly smaller, that's in position now. I'm going to just insert another image, and this time I'm going to go to the rotor blades, and I'm going to stick in the rotor's turn here. Look, so I'm going to put that in there, and it just gives me a nice blurred rotor system there, just to simulate it turning. Position it roughly in the right position there, and I can size it just about there. That's good enough, really. Doesn't have to be exact for this demonstration. Now, to animate this, it is incredibly simple. All we've got to do now is go to animations and basically drop that one down there, and we're looking for the spin. Most animations in these PowerPoint presentations tend to be a spin, and this is no exception. I'm just going to move that slightly in the middle there. It's not quite where I want it, and I'm just going to now go to effect options. Let's have a look. I can't remember which way the blades turn. I think it's anti-clockwise on this one. And timing, I'm just going to make that slightly faster, 1. And to repeat, I'm going to do that until the end of slide, because I want the blades to rotate until I click onto the next slide. Okay, now you can see the blades are spinning. If I select Shift F5 now and click that one, you can see now we've got a nice set of spinning rotors, and that allows us to animate the rotor system like that. And what we can do, for example, just a little example on that, we can build things like safety posters and presentations just showing danger areas. So all these are literally graphics, so you insert shapes and then you can just manipulate your graphics to get them to that shape. So Shift F5 and you can see how simple it is to do a little sort of no walk zone presentation, or what do you want to do. So that is the first part with main rotors.